Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Feather Family. Feather Family is like we get a bunch of birds and we could roleplay with them. I don't know. Didn't play this in a long time. Ooh. A falcon. Nice. I got Phoenix. I really want a Griffin though. You know, let's do the unlockables. I really want Falcon. Which one looks cute? You know, I'm gonna be, nah. Ooh, these are nice ones. I want the skeleton one too. Maybe let's do standard, it's a pheasant. Oh. That's a pheasant. An egg, I'm gonna be, no. I don't know which one, it's hard to pick one and be one for the rest of your life. Ooh, eagle. Sparrow. They're all so cute though. I'm gonna be a macaw. Never mind, that looks weird. Cockatiel, I want the baby one. You know? That's good. That's good. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it going in circles. Circle. Oh. Ooh. Oh. My little Flo. Oh my god, fire bad. Fire very bad. Oh, I should have picked a turkey in my life. Well, if I want that, I'm gonna have to die. So I reborn as something else. So let's go find something to fall off of. It's already been days and I can't find it. I'm an adult now. I can't even fly. Wait. Can I? Oh, only for a little bit though. Okay. Cute. Ugh. Skeleton fly. No, I'm not a skeleton. But I will be. No, wrong way. Wrong way. Oh my god. I need something. Ooh, I know. No, I don't want that. No. Maybe this. Up we go. It's been 5 years trying to climb a mountain. Up, up, up. Come on, come on. Whew. Okay, we got this. Whew. This is my chance to be great. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, fine, I'll do it. What? Yeah. Ooh, ooh, oof, ooh, ooh. Ow. It worked, yes. Okay. Now, I'm going to do... Let's see cockatiel. Oh, yeah. Parakeet. No. Sorry. Ooh, hummingbird, no. Seagull, no. Puffin, no. No. Pig. No. Emu, no. No, they just look the same now. Let's do quail. Ooh, duck. Duck. Little duck. Going in circles. How do I get out of here? Hello. No? I don't know what anything means. I need to go to water. Ooh, what does this button do? Village? It's a village. I spent my whole entire life on this. Maybe I should go explore. Well, 2 years, you know. A lot could happen in 2 years. So, where should I go? Ooh, says it's open. Where's my house though? My house over here. Let's get it. I'm starving. Hope there's some food. Da, 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 da. I really want to eat that. There. I don't want that anymore though. Ooh, let's go to my house. This is gonna be my way. This is gonna be my house. Right in here. What about the big one? No. The owner said to go in here. Because that was a bad bird? I don't know. I'm gonna go up here, then. Yeah, but this is so small. The owner says I could go out now. Yes. And go to the bigger one. No, that's too small. This one. Yes, it lets me go to this one. Oh, perch. And then perch. Yes. Ah, this is nice. Well, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. It's a goose. I'm going back. Wait, how do I go upstairs? Yeah. He's pushing me off. I'm gonna fly. Wait, I have to grow more? But I'm already full grown. Ooh, that's weird. Hello? Hello? I guess I died. Oh my god. We have to redo this life again. It's a different one. Ew. Blech. Sorry, not judging. It's just, have you seen that? Why not? Swimming full of rain, so long as by because you're in all there's too black. Yeah, sees a dream, we surf and scream. We don't talk about. Ooh, I'm gonna eat this. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But was a wedding day, and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. No clouds allowed in the sky. I'm gonna get some food. First, I need to grow up. It was my wedding day. It was my wedding. I'm getting ready, and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. No clouds allowed in the Bruno walks in with his mischievous grin. Thunder, telling a story over my ring. Go away. Bruno said it looks like rain. Why did he tell us? And so he floods my brain like the umbrella. Married in a hurricane. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. I'm mumbling. Fall in sin. It's so humbling. We fumbling. Do you understand? 7 full of rain, rats along his back. He calls your name. This is weird. Look at this. Have you ever seen a goose do that? Oh my god. I just need to find food. Is it that hard to fish for fish? It shouldn't be. But it is. Well, I'm gonna build my nest right here on top of this rock. Right here. Okay. No. Controls? Seriously. Can't build a name. I'm going to Fantasy Field. Guess why not? Oh, the Skylands. No. Okay. This is cool. This is really, really cool. I love this. Go for a little swim, maybe? If I want. Oh my god, I love this. Aw. Why can't it just stay like that? Well, I'm going to sleep now. So yeah, let's go to sleep. I'm not that tired though. Wait, I can't even. You know, that's it for this video. This game is rigged. Bye.